Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to copy the description of a video on TikTok. So you can do it that in the, from the app of TikTok. So you need to do a screenshot. For example, the first step is go to TikTok, and here in the app of TikTok, we need to go to the video. We want to, copy the description. You pick here, and after that, you need to, do it the description. And after that, you need to go to your your gallery. You need to albums. And here in the screenshots, we need to pick here, and we need to, activate the option of copy the text. So maybe in your phone is in a different way. Here and in my phone is more complicated, but the only thing you need to do is find the option of copy text, and you can, select all of the description of the video. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.